when the wife goes away, pizza comes to play. Oh! So I just bought like this frozen DiGiorno Rising Crust. I don't think I've ever tried DiGiorno before. So I got the Supreme for the game. This is going into the oven right now, and I'm wondering, can I eat all of this myself? Let's see. And let's go into the fridge. I'm trying to multi-pack here. We got lemon, what is that? Lemon Shandy, shock top. We got Summer Grapefruit. We have Honeycrisp apple wheat. And we got Belgian White. I'm just going to put those back, cover my eyes while I look over here and pick one. We're going with the Summer Grapefruit. So when I'm having my cheat day, you gotta get your workout in. You can't have this cheat days. I mean, you can have your cheat days on an off day, but it's always good first thing in the morning to get in, just get a workout in, just kill it. Get the sweat out, and then you can come home. I've been out for 2 walks with Bruni today as well, so I have been active pretty much all day. So my body is ready to absorb the extra calories that's gonna come from this cheat meal. So just kind of be smart when it comes to eating your cheat meals. You can eat cheat meals, you can still live lean, just use your head. Let's go. I say cheers. Wow, that is a different tasting beer. Actually tastes like grapefruit. We don't have shock top where I grew up or came from. Not bad, not bad. All right, first slice.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today, link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give.
Slice number 2.
I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause
Slice number 3.
just mental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job.
All right, last slice. Let's go.
Don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time in.
So here you go, guys. That's what a typical cheat meal looks for me, right, Bruni? Just keeping it real here. Have that like once a week. Now, a lot of people always ask me, what do you do afterwards? Like, how do you just not fall down this slippery slope where you just, your next meal becomes a dirty meal, your next meal becomes a dirty meal? I'm just speaking from my perspective. My body now feels like it's got all that junk in it. It hit the spot for me. But I'm just, next meal, I'm craving something clean. I'm craving drinking lots of water. I'm craving going back for that workout tomorrow to use all these extra calories I just put in my body to really kill it. This is the time you should go for your leg workout, or like a really heavy chest or back or some big muscle group workout. Go put those calories to use, but just make sure you get back on track again. So I prefer to do that type of cheat meal where I eat a whole pizza as opposed to having one slice of pizza. Because one slice of pizza, to me, it doesn't fulfill that need. I've been eating healthy all week. One slice of pizza, it's not gonna satisfy me. So that's why I like to, if I'm having my cheat meal, I have a cheat meal. I have like a pizza. I eat until like I'm like full and I'm like satisfied. So that's that. But that's just me. You do you, and I'll just keep doing me. It's working for me. If you're happy with just having one slice and you're content and you can go on with the rest of your week just eating healthy, then do that. If you don't need cheat meals, you don't feel like you need cheat meals, do that. You guys do you, and I'm doing me. You gotta figure out what works for you.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. something that could make sense.